target trades. Power trigger trade. All right, people, I want to document a great win in Apple. Now, I made this special video July 31st, and what I said in this video was bang on. Okay, so let's click onto this video. Let me explain what I said in this video. I want to explain this. I want to show you the great gains and the options. Let's get to the video here. All right, people. So as you can see, this was the day before earnings, and we knew that Apple was moving up, right? So this is what I said, though. Okay, I said Apple is set up to test 202 to 205. Okay, so those, but when Apple got to my targets, it was clear that it was a lot stronger because it got to the targets powerfully. I talk about this. You have to learn to adapt to the market. So anyways, the September 21, now this is what I suggested people buy. Now at the time, okay, now this is not what we paid on confirmation, right, on entry. Now I'm going to show you what I said inside of PowerGroupTrades, but in this video, I also explained higher targets where Apple will go to. At the time, based on what I was seeing pre-market and looking at the charts, my longer-term targets I said in the video were 210 to 215, or I was something like 210 to 210 to 215 or 220, right? But that has changed, and I'll talk about that another time. That has changed. The targets are much higher now in the long term. I'll show you what I said inside of PowerGroupTrades, or I'll say the numbers after towards the end of the video. So let's go take a look at the confirmation for Apple. All right, so we're going to go inside this chart here, but this is what I said. I said Apple plan. This stock is in perfect alignment on all time frames. The leader is back on track. All right, now, so let's click on to what I said here, and now I'm going to show you the confirmation. Okay, so listen. I said as instructions, because people who are in my group, I tell them, Mike. So what I said, Apple above 196 is a buy. Now, basically, I'll show you how I bought Apple, because there was a chance, right? There was a chance. The options actually fluctuated between $500 an option to as low as $450. Okay, actually $440. Okay, max. Okay, and you had to be prepared for it, right? Because we had to pay in the higher zones, but that's what the options did cost. So let me show you. So I'm going to close this up here. You can see at the time, okay, because Apple, those options were still not in the money, right? They're $200 calls at the time the entry. We got them in the 198 area. So let me close this here. So here it is, August 1st. Apple, September 21, 200 calls, bought on the dip to 450 as we tested 198, right? So we did not hit 198 exactly, but we were close. We hit 198.40, and so therefore the options, they dipped. So you had to buy it. You had to be prepared. I was going to buy more if I could get it lower, but it wouldn't go lower, so I did initiate my position. I bought my position there. Because this was a longer term plan as well, right? I wanted to hold this. I used September calls for time in case of any situation, right? But Apple just didn't look back because it was a perfect. I talk about when I say time frame alignment, when I say these words, okay, it's a little how I look at time frame alignment is a little bit more unique than how anybody else could see it. Anyways, even though regular ways of looking at it, you could say the same thing, but anyways, the point was that's why it was super bullish Apple. I know the story of Apple, right? Now, not only did we go to my targets, we blew right through them. But as you can see here, we paid $450. Now, at most, let me put it to you this way. At most, okay, at most, the options, at most the options you could have got them in easily between even below 490 or 480. Okay, even if you didn't, when I posted this, when I posted that within 5 or so 6 minutes, if you didn't jump in when I said, you could have got it for about 480 to the 490 area. That I can assure you. All right, people, so let's go inside this Apple chart. So you can see here, so here we had the earnings move, right? And we closed at 202, then we went higher. Now stock clown, completely wrong. Telling people, and of course, you see, this is why I'm the best, and most of the old world thinkers and stock clowns are always going to lose in the long run, the big picture things. Stock clown been wrong since Apple 140, making fun of longs. I'm a long-term holder. I'm reaping the rewards in spades. In other words, through option plans, through long-term holding, okay? Carl Icahn now looks like a loser, a big L. Because now Apple not only hit 200, but over 209, and he bailed a long time ago. Loser billionaire. Ha ha! Carl Icahn. Finally, even what's his name? Warren Buffett caught on to the Apple, but PowerGroupTrades, yours truly, the big picture expert, has been talking about Apple way before even the best of the best. Because I am the best. All right now, and I'm helping people with options. See, this is what little baby traders they can't do. You know what I'm saying, people? But here you have it. These options are now about 150% gains. Okay. And then they're probably, this is phenomenal gains. Okay. And can still be more gains. These are September calls, right? But you definitely want to be taking profits, right? You want to be taking some profits. But just to show you big picture thinking, okay? That my goal was to at least make 100% gains, but we didn't just make 100% gains. We an unreasonable priced option, not baby priced options with no skills, like these option people who uses these $100. That's $100 options. Those are called lottos. We're talking about real investing thinking. Okay, you think day traders can do this stuff? These little pop traders? Ha! Of course not, people. I'm the big picture expert. I'm decimating and cremating. Let's go back to the video. Awaken up. Smell the coffee. Look at the numbers here. Look. $1,100 close and still higher it can go. Apple's changed its metrics. By the way, I'm going to talk about that after soon, quickly here. All right, people, welcome to Power Trade. Confirmation is key. Listen up, people. You want to become a member side of PowerGroupTrades. Listen, I'm the big picture expert, okay? Most traders are baby traders, baby minds, baby skills, all full of hot air. Come to my YouTube channel. Let's go together. Let me show you something here, okay? So welcome screen when you get to it, but I'm going to customize this right now. Big picture expert health over here. Anyways, listen up, people. Health and wealth, mastered both, okay, people? Going to maybe get some eye-opening things about health, by the way. It's not just about the physical look, by the way, but why not have a physically well-looking body? You want to have health inside. But anyways, listen up, people. You want to study my created playlist, okay? You can see this is going to be my second Apple. I'm going to probably make another Apple video as well because I'm continuously holding these calls. I'm looking to make at least 200% gains. However, people, what you want to do is study my created playlist, okay? You see what I'm about. Go to my last YouTube channel, YouTube live stream. See if it comes up here. Here, right over here, the July 25th, and it explains in the beginning. It explains how to become a member inside of PowerGroupTrades, or come to my new live stream. Okay. Also, people, you want to study some key videos. Listen, you go to my website here. I have a website as well with documented stuff, right? This is Google L video. Okay. Check this video out. One of my followers was so happy with the gains he made in this plan. We made some massive gains in this plan. He sent me $1,000 gift. Okay, let's see what service gets that from the members in their dreams, right? Right. This is out of free will, by the way, not because I charged the person anything. It's because they gave out a free. Check out the video. I show you from start to end. Also, if you hit the subscribe, you can easily subscribe to this website over here. Just put your name. I said I'm going to be spending special emails. If you want special contact from me or getting some special information from me, I'm going to send it through via people who subscribe to my website. Okay, so that's how you do that. All right, people. If you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Subscribe here manually. If you have one already, I'm going to speak to you right now, one-on-one, right inside this video. I'm going to show you how to I'm going to show you how to subscribe to this channel. So there you have it. Thanks for listening. Let's see what I say. All right, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Target Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like